Welcome students. So this class is going to see the week number 5 and problem number 1. So the problem number 1 and week number 5 is representing the projections of solids. Projections of solid, we just going to deal by change of position method. Is going to deal by change of position method. Okay, right. So let us go to the session. So as we have seen the projections of line, okay, by rotating line method. Now here the next steps, it's a projections of solid. Let us see the problem. It's nothing but a pentagonal prism, pentagon having 5 numbers of faces. Pentagonal prism, sides of base is 25 mm and axis 50 mm long. That's it. So its rest width of its edge on HP. Its rest width of its edge on HP. Okay, fine. So such that the base containing the edge makes at an angle 30 degree to HP. I have purposely write this two portion of the problem. So first side I have used the base how it was, and second phase of the problem is it is 30 degree to HP. So normally the change of position method we supposed to draw 4 numbers of diagram. So first is a simple position. First one is considered as a simple position. For that, as normally we used to see one reference line. So just make, okay, this space may be sufficient. Let it be one reference line. Okay, let it be X and Y, VP and HP. Fine. So now they are saying the pentagonal prism. So once again, yeah. So I'm just giving some model. So assume this is a one pentagon. So pentagonal prism, what they are specifying, it is sides is 25 mm, this sides is 25 mm, and the axis in the sense the height is 50 mm. See, center it will be, there will be a axis that is 50 mm. Okay, so this corners all are as you can specify this is a edge strips or edges. This one is a base, this one is a base for the pentagon, this is a base for the pentagon or any side. Okay, top may be apex, or this one is a 25 mm, and top side and bottom is base, we can say. So this pentagon, what they are saying, normally it is parallel with VP. That means when you are seeing here, it is when you are looking from here, it's parallel to VP. If the VP is like this, vertical is like this. Okay, so it is parallel. Imagine it is in the first quadrant. When you are looking from this side, it is parallel to VP. But again, what they are specifying, you just see the rest of the sides of the problem. Such the base containing the edge makes an angle 30 degree. One base containing that edge. So this is a base edge. This is a base edge. Any. So this could be considered as a base edge for the pentagon. So base is containing 30 degree to HP. That means if this is a HP, Imagine the base is containing 30 degree. That means it is tilted 30 degree. The base is tilted 30 degree with respect to HP. VP is parallel. So this position we just going to draw. For that we need to draw the simple position first. This is a simple position. So the base supposed to be perpendicular. One of its base we need to make perpendicular to HP. Perpendicular to VP we need to make. Okay, so this simple position, when you are seeing from front and when you are seeing from top, we just going to see top will be HP and front will be VP. So let us draw one pentagon here. So base supposed to be containing perpendicular to VP. There is a reason for the rotation. So let it be 25. Okay, it may be insufficient. Okay, okay, let me start from here. So this is 25 mm. Let it be. You should not write this side only we need to write. Okay, let it be. So if we are making by exterior angle method, it must be 72 mm, right? 70. So let us locate here 72. 70 is here, 72. So let me make one line. It need only 25 mm, right? Similarly on other hand, (70, 72). Okay, let us measure 25 mm. I keep this as a center and 25 mm as a radius. Okay, so after that, when you are keeping here, okay, so these are all the points for to make a pentagon. Okay, fine. So now pentagon is okay, the sides is 25 mm. Let it be 25 mm. So we need to give the name. So let us see for all the base as numerals. Let me erase everything. Okay, so let us give the name. All the base is numerals. Let us start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me put it in the bracket. There is a meaning for this. So these are all in bracket. So when you are seeing this pentagon from top, so this is one point and this is one point. This base point I specified numerals. The top points, all the edges, supposed to be shown as a alphabets. It's a procedure, standard procedure. Let it be A for 1, B for 2, C for 3, D for 4, E for 5. Okay, so we need to locate the center. The center may be in a simple manner we can able to identify. Almost it will come here. Okay, yeah, it can be. Should be, it can be when you are erecting a line from edge, it could be goes in that manner. Otherwise, okay, I think this is correct. It's showing above. It's not, it may not be. This is the correct center. See, from this edge and this center, as I just assumed for this center. I think this is okay. So let us name this is a center point. Let it be O. Okay. So now in horizontal plane you have made a pentagon. Let us go for a vertical plane. Before that, just erase these unwanted lines. Okay. For this, you just erect a vertical line that will gives you the points in the vertical plane. See, I just erected, and here there is an axis. So here, when you are seeing from this direction, you will get front view. This is a top view. You will get front view. This is we can call it as a first front view, like that you can name. So if you are erecting all the rays 1, so you can see bottom is 1 dash, here 2 is there, 5 is there, 2 dash, and in bracket you can put 5 dash. This is O or O dash, let it be 0 or O, and this one 3 is here, 4 is here. So when you are seeing from here, you can see 3 and 4 may be hidden. So 3 dash you can write, 4 dash you can able to show in bracket. So in bracket, in the sense that is hidden part. So let us make this is 50 mm axis. 1, 2, 3, like that. So it is up to here. It is a 50 mm axis line. See, properly draw with the compass. I just made all parallel lines for a 50 mm. Close, I am connecting it. So this stops all are alphabets. So A dash, B dash you can see, E dash is hidden. So B dash, E dash. Let it be O, it's not an issue. Here C dash here, D dash, C is here, D is here. When you are looking from this direction, C you can see, B will be behind. So C dash and D dash will be in bracket. So this is a simple position. This 2 is called it as a simple position. Half of the mark will be awarded for making a simple position. So this height is 50 mm. Okay, this position only they are just going to change. So let us mark the same pentagonal top, sorry, this is top view. This is top view. This is a first front view. Okay. So this position only we just going to see that base is supposed to be 30 degree. For that, you just measure, you just make 130 degree angular line and keep any one as a reference. Let it be here is a one. This distance and this distance is assumption. Any convenient distance. So it's supposed to be 30 degree. Let me fix here and let me mark here for a 30 degree. Let me draw for only 30 degree. 25 mm or it's relatively. So hereafter you need not to use the scale for the measurement. Once the simple position is over, it's not required. So whatever the thing, the same position only you just going to change. So you have to measure from here. So I just fixed it here. This point is 3 dash and 4 dash. 3 dash and 4 dash. This base only we just going to lift. Okay. So here you need to measure the total distance of this from 3 dash to 1 dash. You have to keep here and you have to intersect. Okay. So again, all the points you can able to identify from here. Let it be this length, so you can fix. Okay, somewhere this diagonal you can measure, properly measure. Diagonal you can measure and you can fix here at 1 and you can intersect. So that is a point. Here I got a point, I could connect. This is nothing but C dash D dash. Similarly here there's supposed to be a point. That point, yeah, you can measure this one. Diagonal you can keep, you can put, and similarly you can measure this. You can keep this one as a center, so it will come here. Okay, let it be. We just got the block from the simple position. Now the distance of axis and the distance of 2 dash you need to refer. This, it is axis, and from here I am measuring 2 dash. So this can be a parallel line of another edge. This is the axis and this one another point. Now we can see, you can write all the points. 1 dash, this is 2 dash, 5 dash, this is O, and this is A dash, this is B dash, E dash, and this is O or O dash. Let it be. So by seeing itself we can able to understand. So now this is a position and this is an angle. Now you see the 30° to HP and its axis is parallel. This axis is parallel. Draw its position. So we can see this is a final front view. Now to draw the top view of this changed position pentagon, it's very simple. You erect the vertical lines from all the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, similarly A dash, B dash, axis, C dash. I made all the vertical lines. Now you just erect a horizontal line from all the edges. Check the parallel whether it fits. So one more, it is merged with the parallel. A is merged with the parallel, so it's not required. Now you see 1 dash is here, and where is another 1 dash? Here there is a 1. So we can mark here. We can add, finally we can say that is 1. So 1 1. So here 5 is here, see, and 5 is here. So where it's meet, here it may be 5 1. So now I am drawing only the base, so numerals. So 4 is here, here it may be 4. Let it be 4 1. 3 is here, so 3 will come here, so 3 1. 2 is here and 2 will come here, so 2 1. Now you connect everything. That is gives you the final top view. This is one side I just completed, and another side. Okay, so another side, this is a center also. This is a center. Okay, let it be. So another side, that alphabets has to meet. Here there is alphabets, here there is alphabets. So let us see the A and A from here. So here you can mark, that is A1, and B is here and B is here, so B1. E is here and he is here, so you must be very careful. E1. D is here, sorry, 4 as a D. 4 and D are same. D is here and D is here, so D1. C is here, C is here, so C1. So now you connect all. For your understand, I initially drawn everything as a regular line, but here there is one mistake. I will show you. See here, when you are seeing from top of this could be hidden, this part. So from this line may be hidden, so that hidden line supposed to be show in the dotted line. So hidden line supposed to be show in the dotted line. That is very important. This you cannot able to see from the top, so it is considered as a hidden. You can show in the top. So remaining all you just connect, it will show as a final top view. That is the answer. Axis you cannot able to see. Any other, this D1 and 4, 3 to C. That's it. So this is a final top view. That's it, final top view. This is the first diagram, this is second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one for this problem. Okay, now you see the problem. Pentagonal prism, 25 base sides, axis is 50 mm long, rest with its axis in HP, surface base containing that edge makes at an angle 30 degree to HP, it's an axis perpendicular to VP, draw the projection. This is the final top view of projection. Thanks.